Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to read a story in the Decodable Reader called Red Bird Chirps. Please follow along as I read. Let's begin. Red Bird Chirps by Beth Singer. Illustrated by Juan Batista Juan Oliver. Words: shirt, tiger, turtle. High frequency words: earth, every, near, school. Red bird chirps. Chirp, sang little red bird from her perch. Every day I sit in this nest and look at the sky. I like the big blue sky. Today I will fly. I want to see the earth below. Redbird began to fly. First she flew over a park. I see green ferns, she chirped. Then Redbird sailed over a schoolyard. I see a boy in a yellow shirt. I see a girl with red curls. Next, Redbird perched on a gate near a tree. A cat with white fur crept up. He licked his lips. Redbird spotted the cat. Up she flew. You can't hurt me, she turned and chirped. Redbird perched on her nest. Next time I will fly over the sea, she said. Cats don't live there. Words: bird, chirp, curls, ferns, first, fur, girl, her, hurt, over, perch, shirt, turned. Can you find these words in the book? Earth, every, near, school. Now, boys and girls, after listening to the story and reading the book to an adult, find the UR words in the story that have the same sound as fur. You will notice the sound occurs even in words without the letters UR, such as shirt and bird. When you find a word with the sound, drag the yellow box over the word in the story. When you have finished each slide, submit it to your classwork page. You do not have to sign in to Benchmark or annotate it in your journal. All your work is completed here.